You watching Top 5 Best Coffee Machines. Number 5. Mr. Coffee Optimal Brew 10 Cup. Removable water reservoir for easy filling. Just brewed thermal carafe holds temperature and fresh flavor. Brews up to 20% faster than competitive units tested, at a hotter temperature of up to 205 degrees for richer taste. Gold tone permanent filter eliminates paper filter cost and waste. Water filtration helps remove up to 97% of chlorine for better tasting coffee. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Hamilton Beach, 499808, single. 2 ways to brew your coffee, single serve or full pot. 12 Cuban pesos glass carafe included or brew into a travel or regular sized mug using single serve function. Single serve side works only with loose ground coffee or disc-shaped soft pods, not compatible with K-cup packs, capsules or other single serve packs. Asterisk K-cup is a registered trademark of Keurig Green Mountain Incorporated. Use of the K-cup trademark does not imply any affiliation with or endorsement by Keurig Green Mountain Incorporated. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Bun NHS Velocity Brew 10 Cup. Fastest 10 cup home coffee maker brews a full pot of coffee in about 3 minutes. An always hot internal hot water is ready to brew hot coffee on demand. Exclusive drip-free carafe with a proprietary lid and spout design that arcs the pour of the coffee into the cup and wicks the coffee dribbles back into the carafe, preventing a mess on cup or counter. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Nespresso Virtue Olein Coffee. Includes Arrocino Plus Milk Frother, rapid one-touch preparation of hot or cold milk froth, items sold separately valued at $398. New revolutionary centrifusion technology to gently brew both coffee and espresso with one touch of a button. Capsule recognition and code reading technology for blend-specific parametric brewing, 2 capsule sizes, large for coffee and small for espresso. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Keurig K55/K Classic Coffee Maker. Please note, box model name is K55 but product inside contains K40 model. What's in the box? The Keurig K55 K-Cup single-serve coffee maker includes 4 K-Cup pods and a water filter handle plus 2 water filters to help your beverages taste their best. Brews multiple K-Cup pod sizes, 6, 8, 10 ounces. The most popular K-Cup pod brew sizes. Use the 6 ounces brew size to achieve the strongest brew. Please check the description for details and update price.